And today we're going to be checking out the Ameta Morpho Camera Mini Drone. That's right, this is a little kid's drone that you can fly around, you can take photos and video with, but on top of that it's also programmable. You can program your flights and it will run missions for you, and it also lights up. So let's point the camera down, see what all we're going to get with this drone, and then we're going to take it for a test flight in the dark so we can see the light effects. Alright, so here's the little drone right here. I've already pulled it out of the package for the test flight. And on the inside here, on top of the drone and the controller does take some AAA batteries in there, but they do give you the screwdriver for getting the back off and on. You're going to get 4 extra propellers. You will get a USB to USB Type-C charge cord. You will get not 1, but 2 batteries. You will get a phone holder that connects to your controller. You just slide this little piece off and you're going to slide your phone controller in there just like so, and now you can see what your drone sees through the app. You're also of course going to get your user manual, a storage bag, and some other little spare rings for your drone. You get 4 of these as well. Oh, we can't forget the prop removal tool, so you can install a new prop if you do break it. Now, one thing I do like about this little drone is you can see the propellers are completely enclosed. So if it was flying and you were to catch this, it's not going to hit your fingers. It has these clear semi-flexible guards on top as well, which is a very nice feature. And then on the front right here is that little camera right there. You can see it. You can adjust the angle that you want your camera. You have to do it manually before you take off. And then to power it up, you just hold the button down until all the lights go solid. Same with the controller, and you are clear for takeoff. It does have all these different light effects. They're probably not showing that well on camera, but when we go outside you'll be able to see them much better, which is a cool fun little feature to have. You have a function button up here. If you push that, that allows you to do your 360 flips. You have circle mode, you have headless mode, you have a speed selector, so you can go from speed 1 to speed 2. And then the top button up here is where you actually control the lights on your little mini drone. Now, the little camera on the front is a 1080p camera. It will have things like gesture control, so you can like throw up the P symbol and it'll take a photo. 6 different lighting modes. As I said, it does flips and circle mode. I'm just kind of going over some of the specs here. You get 9 minutes of flight per battery, so with 2 batteries you will get 18 minutes of flight. It does have optical flow positioning, so when you put it in the air, even though it doesn't have GPS, it will try to maintain its own level of flight. It does have 1 key takeoff, meaning that you can just hit this button right here and it will take off on its own. But what I think we're going to do first is, let's go ahead, we're going to take it outside. We're going to do a quick test flight. Alright, so we're going to do a little night flight here so you can see how the lights work. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And there you go. Flying pretty steady. I'm going to try to get as close as I can to the camera. It's probably pretty loud, but we'll change the lights. Now we have this rainbow effect. A faster rainbow effect. Multi-colors. The yellow. That's kind of cool. Wow. Bring it on back over here. There we go. Kind of a solid color. Back to rainbow. So yeah, some very cool lighting options. Neighbors probably think you have a UFO. Pretty cool. See if we can try to learn how to do a flip. That's the circle function. There we go. Got a flip button on there.